Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. Apologies for the strange sounding voice today. I've got a bit of a sore throat and a bit of congestion, so I'll try not to talk too much. Also, it makes me cough if I do talk for too long. So I'm demolishing the lounge today for a big renovation. It used to be a bedroom, and I actually, when I turned it into a lounge, I never changed the wallpaper. So I thought, time to make a nice fresh start and make it special in the lounge. So that's what I'm going to do today. I did just want to mention this feature that I added to my bathroom and actually downstairs as well and into the living room. And actually, I do end up putting a little bit in the loft also. I basically had some string lights that I got from Primark, and I thought I'm going to get rid of the upper light in the bathroom and just make it nice wall lighting, ceiling lighting. But it was quite a lot of it, so I spread it all around the house. And then I've just put the battery back on the outside of the house. I think I'm absolutely loving this rose gold designer paper that I got from the range. I've used some already in the bathroom. I've used one on the wall, the dividing wall between the bathroom and the lounge. And then I'm looking at these pink ones for the other two walls for the living room. So having a little flick through, and I think I'm going to go for that one there. Lovely sort of Art Deco pattern, beautiful rose gold with a touch of pink. So that's what I'm going to do on the two walls. That looks pretty cute. Did want to get rid of the pink inside window frame, so I just cut a template and then used that white felt foam that I've got to fill that in, so it looks a bit more professional when the wallpaper's on. It's easy to make a quick change with the ceiling light because you can just take it down, wrap some double-sided sticky tape around it, and then I just cut some more lovely rose gold paper and then just wrapped it round. Simple as that, and it looks like a lovely ceiling lampshade. I wanted to reuse this. It was the roof off the Dollhouse tea shop that I made in the summer, which I've now since broken up and used all the bits I wanted in my dollhouse. And I thought it makes quite a good settee shape. So I thought, oh, well, with the new pink look, I've got this card here as well, some crafting card, and I thought, well, I could maybe use that to make the sides and the back, possibly that one, although that's a bit like my bathroom floor, so I think I might go for the lighter pink. And obviously I'll have some furry material for the seat covers. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to make a new settee and obviously going to stick with the pink theme. I already had those pink cushions, so those will come in handy. I'd make a quick side table. So I've just got 2 gold lids that I'm going to glue together with the glue gun. And then the top for the table, I think, is actually another lid off something. I can't remember what it's off, or the inside of a lid. So it all matches a nice gold theme, and then I shall just glue that on the top. Nice and simple. I'm really pleased with how the living room's come out. So I have got that gorgeous lamp, lovely wallpaper, very pleased with that. Put some new floor on as well. I kept the bookcase that I had. I did change a couple of things on it. I put a pot on the bottom, got rid of the records because I don't have the record player anymore. So I think that can stay there for now. It's nice. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and it gives a lived-in feel. And I've put a nice little winter picture above it as well. So I've kept that light there, as well as the ceiling lighting. This rug was actually the floor, and I've just cut it down. So now it's a rug. I could even cut it a little bit more, but I just thought that makes a nice size. That plant I've had for a while, but they're always handy to keep, and that just goes in the corner nicely. The TV, again, I haven't remade the TV because I think it still works and looks good. So for now, I'm happy to keep it. And again, another plant. I think I had that on the attic roof garden when I used to have that. So it's just nice to have some florals around. And then there's the polar bear, little bit of objet d'art. So he can go near, and then I've got this sleigh. As we're sort of still wintry, I'm going to keep the sleigh and put a bit of decor on it. So I've got some books. Again, I made them previously before, just using some poster board and wrapping some white paper around them, and then writing some titles of the books on the side. And then that little Nordic house, just made that out of a piece of card. And then this little side table there with my, I don't know if that's gin on it or whiskey or something. And then I've got a little mug, and that will be at one side of the settee. So that's handy for whoever's sitting at that end to put their bits and pieces on. And then in comes the L-shaped settee that I've just made. Very pleased with how that turned out. And then I can put it that way so they can sit and watch the telly. I think that fits in really nice there, and it's turned out nice and cosy. And then obviously I'll put the other table at the other end. So we've got a table each end, and also a little coffee table. This is just a lid, so that's perfect. Again, keeping in with the gold theme. And then I've got this little sort of little computer, like an iPad type thing or a Chromebook. That was actually from the Dollhouse kit I made in the summer. A little Starbucks mug, just to make it nice and cozy, so you can sit there and do a bit of work. So the new end table that I've just made, I'm just going to put, it's a little lid with a floral in, and then I've got a magazine, Modern Interiors magazine, and I've got these 2 cute little jewellery pieces that came out of, I think they were out of little rings, a little cameo, a little sort of a enamel type thing, and I thought that looks a little bit like Wedgwood pieces. I thought, again, a little bit of objet d'art for the table. I love to use little bits and pieces that I have just to make the dollhouse look a bit more authentic. So thanks for coming along with me today as I renovated the lounge, and come back next week. I think I might do a whole house tour with perhaps a couple of little changes, because I'm always making changes in the dollhouse. It's always a constant project. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment as well, because I do love to hear from you. So until next week, take care. Bye bye.